Great question. And the legal answer is that the workers' compensation insurer is responsible to pay for all medical care and treatment that is causally related to and reasonable and necessary to cure and relieve the injury. You say, gee, thanks for that polysyllabic mouthful. That was most helpful. I know. That's what the statute says. But what it basically means is that the insurer is obligated to pay for that treatment which is related to your injury and that's appropriate for your injury. And that treatment runs the gamut. Physical therapy, medication, chiropractic treatment, surgery, neurologic visits, follow-up care. If it's a devastating injury, you might have a long-term acute care. You might have personal care attendants that come into play. Post-surgical follow-up, wound care, the whole gamut of medical treatment and medications. And then also medical devices. You need glasses following an injury. You have a brain injury. You have some visual problems. So you need glasses, prism glasses after that. That's covered. Canes, crutches, devices like that. I actually had a case years ago where an individual had a prior knee replacement and he had a bad work injury and it mangled the knee replacement, mangled his knee. So he had to get they call it a revision when you redo a knee replacement. And the insurance company tried to defend, saying, no, it's not our knee replacement. It's like, yeah, but your work injury rendered it substantially worse and requiring replacement. So those are the items that are covered. Mental health care is covered. Treatment for PTSD, treatment for depression, items like that are covered under the work comp statute. And there are limitations on certain types of treatment. There are durational caps, if you will. But there are also departures that are allowed for additional treatment beyond those durational limits where appropriate. So the key thing with a work injury is to make sure you're treating with a good provider. And, if you were in a populated area, say such as the Twin Cities, you can avail yourself of, for example, you have carpal tunnel, go see an upper extremity specialist. You have a shoulder problem, go see a shoulder specialist. You have a back problem, go see a back specialist. The idea there is that you want somebody who's really good at what they do taking care of you, and you're entitled to that under the work comp statute.